Hey guys and girls, this time I'm back again at Absolute Airsoft, where over 150 airsoft players got together for Make Your Mark on Cancer charity game event. So as you can see, there was a great turnout and it made for some epic gameplay. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy it.
Are you father?
Bless you, my child.
They're down there.
We get the day started with a nice team deathmatch with both sides against each other.
50 meters in range.
As I'm unfamiliar with the site and straight up the middle looks too open, I decide to flank my enemies to the left instead. I see enemies moving through the dense undergrowth in front of me, but it's too thick to make a clean shot, so I just hold my position and leave them come to me.
Two enemies down, guys.
I now see some enemies approaching on the right hand side, so I get low to try and take a shot on them. In a little over 2 minutes, I've already dealt quite a lot of damage with my SSG to the enemy team. Another one down with my Mark 23. However, the enemies soon catch on and they get me.
Is that Ian I see? That's right. I'm gonna sneak up here, see if I can get some. Where do you think it's coming from? The sides? I can try and... And can he spot the guy?
He's firing that way.
He's coming from the left, is it?
This time I decide to attack down the right hand side of the map, as it seems like there's quite a lot of action going on down this way.
Are you under fire?
Two guys in front of me there, straight across. Maybe even more.
Jesus Christ, they're coming close, lad. He's somewhere fucking very close.
I stick up to try and locate him.
I see him.
Ah, I'm hit! Right.
I want you to stick up and shoot. I have him. Wait now. Wait for it. Do it now. Right now. Go for it. He's down.
You can't beat suppressing fire, it works nearly every time. With the enemies cleared from this area, I decide to push on further towards the enemy. Damn twig, it just hit it right in front of him. But that second shot rang true. I now decide to go back right over to the left hand side of the map where I started.
There's a young fella gone through there.
Yeah.
Over to the other side. You'll flank him if you can get through.
How far do you have to go? Is it a long way?
About 10 feet. It's literally over the other side of the stream here.
And just go up.
So I'm crossing even further over to the left hand side of the map to try and find another player on our team and hopefully take out some more players.
carefully looking around to make sure there's not someone lying in wait. Greatest giveaway to the human eye is movement. If I stay still and look for it, that's my next target. Just like when you're hunting.
So it looks eerily quiet over here, so I'm moving quite slowly and stopping and looking continuously to try and spot enemies. I have a feeling that this is sniper territory. Sure enough, my instincts are always right. Just over the top by a fraction. I've no clue where that last shot went, but this sniper is getting a little bit pissed off. He'll regret doing that to me. I have just moved position slightly to confirm, and when he comes up for the shot, I'll be ready for him.
Sniper down. That's what you get for sticking the finger up there.
As simple as that. In this next game, we're defending a line of trenches, and the enemies must try and move up, attack, and steal these high-vis vests that are hanging on the trees just in front of our position.
I see him, yeah.
Now this is quite a far shot, especially for one Jew.
No.
But after the first shot,
I'm robbing them a fair bit.
I nailed it.
Got him, he's down. You watch front.
Defenders only have 2 lives in this game, and attackers can just keep coming.
Got one.
Despite our best efforts, the enemies are closing in quite fast, and it's hard to get a nice shot at them through all these trees.
Good trade, buddy. Good
With
trade.
a beautiful traded kill, I lose my first life and go back to respawn.
Woo! Oh fuck, they got one. He's hit, he's hit. You gotta protect that bib.
Right, so we're down to a pistol. Till Daniel. Go next door, no.
Directly across there.
In front of us!
Ah, come on.
You're hit! Drop the bag!
An enemy player just gets hit taking one of the high-vis vests. Here I was trying to lead the guy in front, but actually hit the guy behind him by pure luck.
Give him everything, give him everything! Oh, taking incoming. Woo!
So unfortunately we lost that game, and the enemy team actually did overrun us and take all the high-vis vests. But now it's our turn to take the fight back to them.
Watch it, I'm coming across.
I pushed quite aggressively up the middle to get into position.
Go for it, go for it, go for it. Run straight back, go, cover him.
As you can see, our vest gets one vest to the side of me and one behind me, as you can see there.
I see them. Just need to get them. I got one guy I need to kill to make it happen.
That was quite a long shot to
Got
get
him.
with one Jew, somewhere in the region of 65 meters.
Can you get the one right in front of us?
I decided to go for it myself after taking this guy out.
Going for it.
Having done quite well in that round, I now am going with a group of snipers up the right hand side to sneakily stalk the enemy as best we can. This is my friend Kyle with his beautiful Absolute Airsoft Car 98, and in front of me is Keith, otherwise known as the Jackal.
Let's just get behind that mound of earth, alright?
I'm now in position to spot for Kyle, who you'll see moving up into position to take shots on the enemy.
Targets there. Oh, I see guys moving ahead of us. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
As Kyle is not in position yet, I take a shot at this first guy. However, I miss high and to the right.
Who was that? Oh, it's him. Fucking some shot. Good shot, Kyle. You fucking legend. You German legend.
Nice one. I think there's one other fella up there.
Kyle, I'm pretty sure there's two more straight ahead of you somewhere.
I decide to push up the far right hand side with Kyle and Keith to get closer to the action.
One lads are shooting at us again from behind.
God, shite.
Go ahead there, Kyle.
That's a dry trench.
No, the wire.
They're right over here too. Stay as low as you can, lad.
Kyle moves up with his Car 98 and his German sniper uniform.
Keep crawling, Kyle. Keep your head down. Your head has to be down.
There's one on your straight. He's up there, but I don't know if he's not straight. Like.
He must be getting up.
Time to push up with him, I think.
He's definitely fucking on the right hand side.
Watch yourself there, Kyle.
Keep your head low. Can you see him? Kyle, I have to shoot right over your shoulder. He's after ducking down now.
Take a look at this shot. Originally I thought I missed him, but it appears that I may have actually hit him in the ear. What do you think?
I put him into hiding with that shot.
Regardless, the same player is still there with his fast reflexes. My shots seem to be floating a little high, so time to adjust my hop up down very slightly.
Got him. Headshot. He's down, guys. That's one of a few. There's a second one with him. That was a beauty, that one. Right between the goggles.
I just see him walking off, yeah.
Did you get him, Kyle? You fucking legend. You did. I could hear him go, ah. Now we're starting to fucking take this fight back. Is he out of bounds, Kyle?
Just taking that last guy out and almost getting hit myself, I leave my video there. Thanks guys and girls. As always, if you enjoyed, please like, subscribe and hit the notifications button for more in the future.